Hey y'all, welcome to my studio, my den, my cave, whatever. I appreciate you stopping in and see what it is I'm up to. Today we're going to do another fidget toy. This one's called a mobius ring. I stumbled on this the other day. I was watching a video about gifted children. One of my grandbrats was just accepted into the gifted program. I can't say he aced the tests, but his scores were all very high. They don't do an actual IQ test anymore. You have to score a 19 on a battery of tests. Most of his were 15 and above. He only had one below that. Yeah, he's an amazing little boy. I don't mean to brag on him or anything like that. He's an amazing little boy. He amazes us all the time with what he comes out with and what he knows and what he does. Anyway, fidget toys. This is called a mobius ring. I have a fair number of fidget toys. One of the latest, other than this mobius ring, is this little flashlight that one of my subscribers sent me, Joseph. It's supposed to clip on your belt. I don't like the little clips. Excuse me. So I put it on this neck lanyard, and I use it a lot. I mean, I've only had it a few days, but I've used it every day, several times a day. Even if it's just taking it off like I just did when I'm outside with the dogs at night, spinning it, and it's got that little light. Anyway, back to the mobius ring. Let's get you down over here to my work surface. I gotta stand up. See what I'm doing. See where we're at. Alright. I already did this once and then the battery ran out. So I took this one back. I had to take this one back apart again. But you start out, you take two rings. These are just split rings, key rings, whatever. And you pass one through the other. You hold them like that. And you take the next one and you pass both of them through that one. Easy enough, right? Well, it is. You start getting up to, I don't know how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have to pass through all 7. There we go. Make sure you go through the same way each time, and it'll fall into place. So now I've got to go through 8. Well, that's not too bad. What comes next? Oh yeah, 9. Ugh. It's starting to get a little. There we go. Weave it in. Hopefully I'm still all in the picture. Number 10. Did I get them all? Alright. This one's actually going together fairly easy. Maybe because I've already stretched all these rings out once. I guess I could go even more than 12, as long as I wanted to keep pushing them together. What does it do? Doesn't do anything. Well, they do. Fidget toys help you concentrate on a different task while your hand does something along these lines. It's kind of counterintuitive, but they work. And they work especially well. I'm trying to get this thing loosened up. There we go. They work especially well for someone with ADD or ADHD, attention deficit disorder, because it helps you to concentrate. I also have a grandson who is very ADD, and it seems to help him somewhat. So I don't know which range I fall into, whether I'm in the intelligence range or the super ADD range. But I have these fidget toys all over the place. Actually, I know I'm ADD. I'm very ADD. I have a half dozen or more projects going on right now. But anyway, fidget toys, right? Mobius ring. I have this old pocket watch case that this fits down into nicely. That I can then clip onto my belt clip for my keys, so I don't have to carry it in my pocket. And then I've got a second one to keep here at the house. Although I've got, like I said, I've got fidget toys galore. This is another ring toy. Ring fidget. The rings just pass through each other. Basically, it doesn't do anything. It's along the lines of the spinner. I'm not a big fan of the spinners. I like my fingers being active. The spinner just spins. They're cool, and I've made several of them. I like these things to keep my hands active. Or this little spinner, like this little one here, that I can spin and whatever. So did I have something else? I don't know. I keep rambling off here and there. CADD. Yeah. All right. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Comment. If you'd like to send snail mail, the address will be down below. Hopefully I'll remember. Yeah, there we go. Until I see y'all next time, people. Folks, people. Until I see y'all again. Slunchy, y'all. Bye-bye.